Hello, students. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the bridge course. Day 6 of the bridge course. Let's continue with yet another session. Students, are you all ready? Shall we get started? Good evening, Shashank. Hello. All right. Good. Yeah, there are many more participants here. Shravani, Akhilesh, Manisha. Hello, everyone. Okay. So, students, the other day we found out the precise position of the lens given the object and the image. Today, there is yet another exercise where you need to find by construction the position of the mirror and its focus. Given the object and image, we've done using for the lens. If lens were used, where should the lens be precisely placed so that we get the image of the given object? Whereas object and image are given. Lens is not given. Lens is not given in a sense. What kind of lens? What kind of uh, lens and the focus of the lens? The whole of the optic center of the lens was not mentioned. But now we are doing it for the mirror. You have to decide which kind of mirror, convex or concave, and its position of the focus, precise location of the focus. Any idea, students? Anything, you can speak anything, whatever idea you have got. Okay, I'll initiate the thought process. We'll then go forward with the discussion. Students, when I have got object and image in the opposite, on the opposite side of the principal axis, which mirror do you think we have to use? Convex or concave? Okay. Convex law, you'll get object convex mungatunte, you'll get an image on the same side of the principal axis, right? So think again. Okay, Shashank, concave. All right, good. Any other answer? Convex or concave? Still any confusion? Taruni says concave. Good. Hi, Taruni. Akhilesh, Shravani, waiting for your answers. Hello. All right. Now let's see. So we have decided it's going to be a concave mirror. That's absolutely right. Shashank and Taruni are right. Are others convinced? Akhilesh, are you convinced? It should be concave mirror. All right. Good. Good. Then I'll go ahead with the argument. Students, if I join object and image, that will pass through center of curvature of the mirror. Why? Because ray passing the center of curvature will retrace the path. Right? So, I'm joining object and the image, which passes the center of curvature, C, which is nothing but center of curvature of the mirror. That makes sense. Does it make sense to you all? Does it or does it not make sense to you all, students? Because it will retrace the path, the line joining object and the image intersects the principal axis at C, center of curvature of the mirror. Mirror, we have already decided to be concave mirror. Now what I do, I take the mirror image of the image I about the principal axis. this way and call it I prime. All right, look at the strategy, students. Look at the logic. Look at the logic of the argument. Interesting argument. Now what I do, I join object and the image prime this way. That will intersect the principal axis at pole of the mirror because that will go symmetrically with respect to principal axis. I repeat. I take the mirror image of the image I with respect to principal axis exactly at the same distance from the principal axis above the principal axis. If I join this line and the object, this hits the principal axis at the pole of the mirror, which reflects and passes through I. Convinced? Are you all convinced with this, students? Be quick. All right. Shashank says yes. Akhilesh says yes. Taruni says yes. All right. Good. Good, good, good. Now let's go ahead. Now we have already decided what kind of mirror we're going to use. So it's going to be concave mirror this way. We have not yet located the location of the precise location of the focus. The ray parallel to principal axis hits the mirror, gets reflected, passes through I, intersects the principal axis at F, focus of the mirror. So by construction, we have located the position of the mirror and its focus. So job done. All right. Students, as a homework or as a food for thought, do you want me to repeat this, students? Do you want me to repeat it quickly for within 10 seconds? Or should I go ahead? All right. మీకు మళ్ళీ కావాలంటే ఒకసారి చెప్పమంటే చెప్తాను ఒక 10 seconds లో. All right, not required. మీకు అర్థమైందా? చూడండి, మనం బై కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ పొజిషన్ ఆఫ్ ద మిర్రర్ ఇంకా ఫోకస్ కనుక్కున్నాము. మిర్రర్ ఎలా కనుక్కున్నాము కాన్కేవ్ అని? ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇంకా ఇమేజ్ ఆపోజిట్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రిన్సిపల్ యాక్సిస్ ఉన్నాయని మనం కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ డిసైడ్ చేసుకున్నాము. దాని తర్వాత I join object and image that will cut the principal axis at center of curvature of the mirror. See, I take, this is the construction method, the procedure. I'll take the mirror image of I with respect to principal axis above the principal axis. I call it I prime. I join O and I prime that will hit the pole of the mirror and reflect symmetrically with respect to principal axis passing through I. My mirror is concave. I take a line parallel to principal axis, hits the mirror, reflects, passes through I, intersecting the principal axis at focus. Okay na? ikkada varaku okay na? Students, the advantage of having less number of students is we can interact. We can interact to a large extent. So interact, change the students. Any doubts you have got, you can get clarified. That's the advantage of having less number of students per class. Student teacher ratio బాగుంటుంది, ఇంకా మనం interact బాగా చేసుకోవచ్చు. So let us take the advantage of having less number of students in the sessions. That's the advantage of having less number of students, both to the teacher and the students. All right. Now let's go. Now, as a homework, what I suggest you is, what if I were to have an image on the same side of the principal axis? What kind of mirror were to use? Where is the center of curvature and the focus of the mirror? You draw the ray diagram, take a pic, send it to 964221526. I will check it for myself and we'll discuss that tomorrow. I mean, in the next session. All right. If your object and image are on the same side of the principal axis, you have to decide by construction which kind of mirror, location of mirror, and its focus. Location of mirror and enti? Location of the pole of the mirror. Which kind of mirror? Pole ekkada undali, focus ekkada undali. Or center of curvature ekkada undali. Focus teliste center of curvature telustundi. Or center of curvature teliste focus kuda telustundi. By 2 ani. Yes, Akhilesh, you are thinking, I appreciate that. కానీ మనకి ఫోకస్ లేదు కదా, మనకు ముందే ఫోకస్ తెలియదు ఎక్కడుందని. మనం ఫోకస్ తెలుసుకోవాలి.
Sir, your video is stuck. Let us wait for few seconds, students. Maybe sir is facing some technical issue.
All right. Pardon me, students, for the interruption. There was a power cut. Now I'm back. Just give me a second. I'll share the screen. All right. Students, able to hear me?
Yes, sir, you're clear.
All right, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. All right. So, students, now that's what the activity is. Yeah, Akhilesh, I understood your argument, but we don't know the focus of the mirror. మనకి ఫోకస్ కావాలి అయితే ఫోకస్ తెలుసుకోవాలి మనం యూజువల్ గా 10th క్లాస్ వరకు ఏం చేసాము ఫోకస్ తెలుసు మన ఆబ్జెక్ట్ తెలుసు ఇమేజ్ తెలుసుకోవచ్చు ఆ 3 రేస్ ఉంటాయి వీ కెన్ చూస్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ద 2 రేస్ అండ్ గెట్ ద ఇమేజ్ కానీ ఇక్కడ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇంకా ఇమేజ్ ఇచ్చారు మిర్రరా లెన్స్ అని మనకి చెప్తారు మిర్రర్ చెప్పినప్పుడు ఏ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మిర్రర్ కనుక్కోవాలి ఫోకస్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది కనుక్కోవాలి పోర్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది కనుక్కోవాలి రైట్ ఓకే సో అఖిలేష్ ఐ హోప్ యూ అండర్స్టూడ్ all right let's go for the next example students there is an interesting case in convex and concave mirror it goes like this I've got an object in front of a concave mirror ray parallel to principal axis will pass through focus makes sense ray hitting the pole of the mirror gets reflected symmetrically makes sense when I extend these backwards I'll get the image fine so far so good but now my question is if I replace this image with the object image place లో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పెడతాను yes perfect Akhilesh that's virtual absolutely right good I appreciate that but now the question is the scenario is look at this ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది మనం ఇమేజ్ వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్ తెలుసుకున్నాం ఇప్పుడు నేను ఏం చేస్తాను ఆ మిర్రర్ ప్లేస్ లోనే చూడండి మిర్రర్ పొజిషన్ చేంజ్ చేయట్లేదు నెక్స్ట్ కేస్ లో మిర్రర్ ప్లేస్ లోనే జస్ట్ కాన్వెక్స్ ప్లేస్ లో కాన్కేవ్ ప్లేస్ లో కాన్వెక్స్ చేస్తున్నాను రైట్ సైడ్ షేడ్ పెయింటెడ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఉంటే ఇప్పుడు లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ పెయింటెడ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఉంది కర్వేచర్ టువర్డ్స్ లెఫ్టే ఉంది రెండు కేసెస్ లో చూడండి నేను మళ్ళీ సైడ్ చేస్తాను ఇక్కడ చూడండి కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ కాన్వెక్స్ ఉంది బట్ కర్వేచర్ టువర్డ్స్ లెఫ్ట్ ఉంది సో రైట్ సైడ్ ఇస్ రిఫ్లెక్టివ్ సర్ఫేస్ ఇప్పుడు నేను ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పెడతాను ఎక్కడ పెడతాను ఇంతకు ముందు వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్ వచ్చింది కదా అక్కడ నేను ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పెడతాను రియల్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పెడతాను ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పెడతాను ఇప్పుడు నేను ఇమేజ్ కనుక్కోవాలి ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది కనుక్కోవాలి ప్రిసైజ్ లొకేషన్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇమేజ్ కనుక్కోవాలి సినారియో ఇస్ పైన దానికి కింద దానికి is there any link between these two is what you have to establish a link between these two using a ray diagram the point is the scenario is ఈ సిచ్యువేషన్ కి where it is concave mirror object ఉంది virtual image వచ్చింది through ray diagram you have to establish a connection establish a correlation between this image and this image all right so let's go ahead students you understood the scenario students manam major ga will not solve question and answer immediately I'll give you some questions to solve but not immediately this we'll explore scenarios analyze scenarios then we'll go for analysis then go for questions all right that's going to be the methodology of teaching for IIT JEE and NEET that's how it's supposed to be I'll repeat the scenario నాకు ఒక కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ ఉంది ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ తీసుకున్నాను ఒక వర్చువల్ ఇమేజ్ వచ్చింది ఇప్పుడు నేను ఆ కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ తీసేసి ఆ ప్లేస్ లోనే ఆ కర్వేచర్ తోనే కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ పెడతాను at the same location of the same focal length. Image place లో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పెడతాను. ఇమేజ్ ప్లేస్ లో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పెడతాను. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇమేజ్ కనుక్కోవాలి through ray diagram and establish a relation between the above diagram and this diagram through ray diagram. So ray diagram analysis చేసి you have to establish a relation between the above scenario and this scenario. Let's see what happens. So where do you think the image will be formed, students? Okay, Akhilesh has got a thought. Akhilesh, why do you think the image doesn't form? ఒక మిర్రర్ ఉంది కదా, కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ ఉంది, ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది దాని ముంగట. సో మిర్రర్ లో ఖచ్చితంగా ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ కావాలి కదా, కావాల్సిందే కదా. ఒక మిర్రర్ ఉంది, ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది, దాని ముంగటే ఉంది, కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ కి ముందుగా ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంది, అది ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ కావాలి కదా. సో దెర్ ఇస్ నో డౌట్ దట్ ఇమేజ్ విల్ నాట్ ఫామ్. ఇమేజ్ విల్ ఫామ్, ఇమేజ్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ద పాయింట్ ఇస్ వేర్ విల్ ద ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్. This you can answer definitely. You are experts in this question. Image ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? Okay, Karuni says beyond C. It's a convex mirror, students. Inside the mirror, okay. Shashank says okay. ఒక కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ లో ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ముంగట పెడితే ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? Karuni, think again. I think you're making mistakes somewhere in the ray diagram. If you just plot the ray diagram, you'll get it. Think again. రే ఆప్టిక్స్ లో రే డయాగ్రామ్ ఇస్ ద క్రక్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్, స్టూడెంట్స్. ఏ ప్రాబ్లమ్ అయినా రే డయాగ్రామ్ తో సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. రే డయాగ్రామ్ వచ్చేస్తే వీల్ గెట్ 99% ఆఫ్ ద సొల్యూషన్. ఆ 1% సొల్యూషన్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఉంటుంది అంతే. ఓకే, అఖిలేష్ ఆల్సో హ్యాస్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సీ. ఆల్రైట్, లెట్స్ డ్రా ద రే డయాగ్రామ్, స్టూడెంట్స్. మీరు మెమరీ బేస్ మీద చెప్తున్నారు అనుకుంటా, అందుకే తప్పు పోతున్నారు. దట్స్ ఓకే. ద హోల్ ఐడియా బిహైండ్ ద సెషన్ ఇస్ యూ హావ్ టు లెర్న్. ఆల్రైట్, నేర్చుకోవడానికి వచ్చారు. తప్పు తప్పు తప్పులు అయినా నో ప్రాబ్లం. మిస్టేక్స్ కమిట్ చేస్తేనే మనం కరెక్ట్ చేసి నేర్చుకుంటాం. ఆల్రైట్, సో దట్స్ ఓకే. So what do we do? Look at the procedure what I'm following. I'm drawing a ray diagram and then I'm concluding it. Ray diagram draw chestam. I'll draw a ray hitting the mirror, targeted towards the focus of the mirror. Focus of the mirror. It'll go parallel to the principal axis. Agree with this? Yes or no? Yes. All right. Yes. All right. Good. All right. Now I'll target the next ray at the pole of the mirror. Hit the pole of the mirror. What happens? It will go symmetrically with respect to pole of the mirror. Yes or no? Okay, again yes. Good. All right. Quick. That was very quick. Good, students. I'm happy that you're interacting. Now I'll extend these rays backwards. I'll get an object here, image here. Now this is the image we started with. We got the image, right? Now that is between P and F. The image is between P and F. So it's not beyond C. Now you've corrected yourself. It's definitely behind the mirror, as Shashank said. That was absolutely right. But others have said it is beyond C. No, it is not beyond C, right? It is between P and F. Now let us see both the scenarios together. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, ఈ రెండిట్లో ఏమవుతుంది? ఈ కాన్కేవ్ మిర్రర్ దగ్గర ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ముంగట పెడితే ఒక h1 హైట్ తో ఇమేజ్ h2 హైట్ తో ఫామ్ అయింది అనుకుందాం. అదే కాన్కేవ్ ని కాన్వెక్స్ తో రీప్లేస్ చేసేస్తే ఆఫ్ ద సేమ్ ఫోకల్ లెంత్, ఆబ్జెక్ట్ దగ్గర నేను h2 హైట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పెడితే ఇమేజ్ h1 ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? at the precise location of the object in the previous case. So object and image are just interchanged. That's the interesting part of the story. How can we prove it? Ray diagram. One way of proving it, ray diagram, because ray optics is all about ray diagrams. The other way of proving it is through equations. So when we do optics, we'll do it through equations also. Give me the questions వస్తాయి. Now let us see. Is it clear, students? The point is the point clear? In object image positions interchange any. Excellent, Shashank. You got my point right. I would like to read your statement. Brilliant. Object and image are interchanged by concave and convex mirrors. Yes, that's absolutely right, Shashank. Absolutely right. For Shashank. This is for Shashank. All right. Brilliant. Now, have others got the point, students? Andar in the point. Object unte. Good, Shashank. Object unte. In front of concave mirror, image వచ్చింది. ఇప్పుడు సేమ్ ఇమేజ్ పొజిషన్ లో నేను ఆబ్జెక్ట్ పెట్టేసి ఈ మిర్రర్ కి కాన్వెక్స్ తో రీప్లేస్ చేసేస్తే నాకు ఇమేజ్ వస్తుంది కదా. ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది? అట్ ద సేమ్ ప్రిసైజ్ లొకేషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద ప్రీవియస్ కేస్. ఆల్రైట్. హౌ డిడ్ వి కంక్లూడ్ ఇట్? Through ray diagram. Can we prove it? Yes, through equations we can prove it. Very simple proof. I suggest you to think about it. 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u తో ప్రూవ్ చేస్తాము. అది మీరు థింక్ చేయండి. We'll talk about it later. At some point of time, మీరే గుర్తు చేస్తే నేను చేపిస్తాను. The condition is you should remind me. Then I'll make you do. Alright? దీని proof నేను చేపిస్తాను provided you remind me. Alright, good. Alright, now let us look at the next case. Students, here you have a convex mirror. You have a focal length f. Alright. Now look at the statement, students. Real image from a convex mirror. Can a convex mirror form a real image? Can convex mirror form a real image, students? Okay, Vaishnavi says no. Dave says no. Good. I appreciate your answer because your answers are right within the realm of 10th class physics. That's absolutely right. But I can prove it that yes, real image can be formed by a convex mirror. I will form a real image within few seconds. But Shashank, Vaishnavi, Akhilesh, your answer is right within the limits of 10th class physics. Okay, how about others? Students, real image form avutunda with a convex mirror? I will prove it geometrically, then prove it mathematically if you insist. If you insist, I'll prove it mathematically, but through geometrical analysis, I will show that real image can be formed. How about others? Is a real image possible? Taruni, Nandini, Manisha, Varsha, Akhilesh says no. All right. Shashank says no. Vaishnavi says no. No, Akhilesh, it's not different. We go deeper into physics in intermediate. Inka in-depth వెళ్తాం. It's not different, but we go deeper. Inka analysis ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది ఇంటర్లో. 10th లో basic ideas ఉంటాయి. ఇంటర్లో ఇంకా deeper analysis ఉంటుంది. So it's not different. Physics is not different. Physics is same continuation of 10th, but deeper analysis. Alright, wide and deeper analysis ఉంటుంది. Wide ఉంటుంది and deeper ఉంటుంది. I hope it's clear, Akhilesh. So don't think you have learned wrong. What you have said is right. But there are cases where deeper analysis will reveal better answers to questions. All right, let's see how it happens. I have two rays like this. All right, now these two rays, when do you think the real image is formed? When rays after reflection should intersect at a point. After reflection, when rays after reflection seem to diverge from a point, virtual image. Real image and when rays after reflection converge to a point, you get a real image. So rays after reflection, I repeat, rays after reflection should converge to a point to get a real image. If rays after reflection seem to diverge from a point, we get a virtual image. Agree with this? So is the definition of real image clear? All right. Shashank says yes, sir. Akhilesh says yes, sir. Hmm. All right. Now let's see. Because this ray is parallel to principal axis, I extend these rays. Here is what my object behind the mirror. Don't get confused. These two are incident rays. Reflected rays will form the image. Seem to diverge, you get virtual image. If the reflected rays seem to converge, not seem to converge, actually converge, you get a real image. So we need to focus on how the reflected rays go from here. Because one is hitting the pole of the mirror, they'll go this one ray, the yellow line, the bottom yellow line, crossed line will go hitting the pole of the mirror symmetrically with respect to the principal axis. The other ray, which is parallel to principal axis, will get reflected as if passing through the blinking ones. All right. Now they're converging to a point over here. They're actually converging there. So the rays meet over there. Yeah, I am explaining how the real image from a convex mirror can be formed. All right. Because the scenarios are same, I'm using the same scenario. A diagram convex mirror object, same object తీసుకున్నాను. But I'm forming a real image. ఎలా real image వస్తుంది? ఈ two yellow rays are actually converging to a point where a green object is formed. Object shown in green. It's not green form కాదు. Red object the green form కాదు. Red object is shown in red. Image is shown in green just for convenience. Look at this. Now if I keep a screen at this point, because these rays are actually meeting over there, a real image will be formed. Do you agree with this? Do you agree with this, students? Because rays are actually meeting over there. Students, this is little mind boggling. ఎందుకంటే 10th క్లాస్ వరకు మనం ఏం చదువుతాము, రియల్ ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ కాదు అని చదువుతాము. కానీ రియల్ ఇమేజ్ కూడా ఫామ్ అవుతుందని నేను కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ కాన్వెక్స్ మిర్రర్ తో రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అయిన తర్వాత కూడా రేస్ కన్వర్జ్ అవుతున్నాయి. Once the rays are converging, that's definitely a real image. After rays, after reflection, if they converge, that's definitely a real image. So I got an image, which is a real image. So I could prove that real images from a convex mirror can be formed. Did I prove it in general? No. I didn't prove it in general. I have and I've shown that yes, there is a possible case where a real image can be formed using a convex mirror. ప్రూవ్ చేయడం ఇంకా స్పెసిఫిక్ కేస్ లో ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేయడం ఆ టూ డిఫరెంట్ థింగ్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్. నేను ఇంకా ప్రూవ్ చేయలేదు, జనరల్ ప్రూఫ్ ఇవ్వలేదు. జనరల్ ప్రూఫ్ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ ఇట్, ఇఫ్ యూ ఇన్సిస్ట్ ఇట్, దెన్ విల్ గో ఫర్ జనరల్ ప్రూఫ్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ సెషన్. ప్లీజ్ వాట్సాప్ ఆర్ యూ కెన్ టెక్స్ట్ మీ నౌ if you want the general proof. Yes, otherwise no. But if you want it, if you insist it, I'll prove it in the next session. Okay. Okay, Shashank says yes. How about other students? There are so many students over here now. So many have joined. Hmm. Okay, Vaishnavi says yes. You want a proof? Yes. Physics is all about, science is all about proof, students. Without proofs, don't accept anything. No matter who says. No matter who says it, without proofs, don't accept anything. And always remember, nothing in science and engineering is done without reason. ఏ రీజన్ లేకుండా మనం ఏం చేయము సైన్స్ అండ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ లో. వితౌట్ రీజన్ యూ డోంట్ డూ ఎనీథింగ్. అండ్ బిఫోర్ డూయింగ్ ఎనీథింగ్ యూ షుడ్ నో ది రీజన్. దట్ విల్ మేక్ యూ ఎ గుడ్ సైన్స్ స్టూడెంట్. Right. Akhilesh, I have deeper appreciation for you. Yes, plane mirrors also form a real image. Yes, excellent, Akhilesh. Akhilesh, this is for you. Plane mirrors also form a real image. Yes, excellent, Akhilesh. Students, Akhilesh has mentioned the statement saying, so if we go deeper if we do the deeper analysis, do plane mirrors also form a real image? Yes, they do form a real image. Plane mirrors కూడా real image చేస్తారు. అది ప్రూవ్ చేయడం చాలా ఈజీ స్టూడెంట్స్. ప్లేన్ మిరర్స్ తో ప్రూవ్ చేయడం చాలా ఈజీ. దట్స్ వై హావ్ టేకెన్ అప్ కాన్వెక్స్ మిరర్. కాన్వెక్స్ మిరర్ లో కొంచెం కష్టం ఉంటుంది. బట్ బికాస్ యు ఆర్ ఆస్కింగ్ ఫర్ ప్రూఫ్స్, అఖిలేష్, శశాంక్, వైష్ణవి, and yeah, these are all students insisting for proof. I'll prove it in the next session, both using ray diagrams and mathematical analysis, graphical analysis and mathematical analysis, both. All right, and both go together. All right, students. Students, this question was done in the last before session. I mean, session before the last session. Have you tried this one? Were you all there for this one? I'll reveal the answer. Okay, what do you think the answer is? Shashank was there. All right, good. Yeah, it is confusions are okay. If there is a confusion, only then that means you are learning something new. కొత్తగా నేర్చుకున్నప్పుడు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఉంటుంది. కన్ఫ్యూజన్ లేదు అంటే మీకు అర్థం కావట్లేదు అనమాట. కన్ఫ్యూజన్స్ ఉంటాయి. కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ని రిజాల్వ్ చేస్తే దెన్ యువర్ కాన్సెప్ట్ బికమ్ స్ట్రాంగర్. యూ బికమ్ స్ట్రాంగర్ ఇన్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. So don't worry if you have some confusions. And physics, you will have not many confusions, and we are here to resolve. That's my job, to resolve your confusions, to clarify your confusions. All right. So, sir, and sorry, I'll read the statement. Sir, so convex mirror can form both real and virtual image. Why can't it why can't it be used as concave mirror? Very good question. Students, okay, I'll put another question. Students, can a concave mirror form a erect real image? Real image? Yes, within the realm of 10th class physics, it doesn't. But there are cases, in fact, we can prove it in general, that yes, it can form a real erect image on the same side of the principal axis as the object. ఇక్కడ ఉంటే ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఏ సైడ్ లో ఉంది, ఆ సైడ్ లోనే మనకి ఇమేజ్ కూడా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. Erect real image as well. All right. Vaishnavi, we can use it as a concave mirror, but there will be certain conditions where a convex mirror geometry of the convex mirror, ray diagrams of the geometry of the convex mirror will be very different from the ray diagrams of the geometry of the concave mirror. రెండు చాలా డిఫరెంట్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ రియల్, ఇక్కడ వర్చువల్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా రియల్ వర్చువల్ ఇరెక్ట్ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది, అన్ని ఫామ్ అవుతాయి. బట్ ద రేషియో, ద మ్యాగ్నిఫికేషన్, ఆల్ దోస్ థింగ్స్ విల్ బి డిఫరెంట్. I really appreciate you, Vaishnavi. Vaishnavi, this is for you. I really appreciate Vaishnavi. Under the Vaishnavi statement, under Kardamain Kada, what I said, what Vaishnavi just now said, why can't it be used as a concave mirror when you are getting real and virtual image from a convex mirror? Why can't it be used as a concave mirror? But look at one thing, students. నేను ఇక్కడ రియల్ ఇమేజ్ ఫామ్ చేశాను కదా, ఇప్పుడు ఫేమ్ చేశాను కదా, అదే నాకు కాన్కేవ్ లో ఎలా వస్తుంది? కాన్కేవ్, ఒకవేళ కాన్కేవ్ ఉంటే నాకు ఇన్వర్టెడ్ ఇమేజ్ వస్తుంది కదా. రియల్ ఇమేజ్ వచ్చింది. కాన్వెక్స్ తో ఎప్పుడు నాకు 10th క్లాస్ సిలబస్ లో మినిఫైడ్, ఇరెక్ట్ అండ్ వర్చువల్ వస్తుంది. బట్ హియర్ ఐ గాట్ మ్యాగ్నిఫైడ్, ఇరెక్ట్ అండ్ రియల్. స్టూడెంట్స్, నేను మొత్తం దాని వెనుక ఫిజిక్స్ నేను ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయలేదు, మనం డిస్కస్ చేయలేదు. ఒక కేసు చూపించాను అంతే. ఒక కేసు చూపించేసి వీ కెనాట్ గో ఫ్రమ్ స్పెసిఫిక్ టు జనరల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ. ఒక స్పెసిఫిక్ కేసు కన్సిడర్ చేసి ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేశాను. కానీ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ కూడా కావాలి. విల్ డూ రే డయాగ్రామ్ అనాలిసిస్ అండ్ ఆల్సో మ్యాథమెటికల్ అనాలిసిస్. All right. So I am not proving it here or I am not disproving it here. The thing is, you had a statement that it cannot be formed. So I have given a contradiction to that statement. Chupichesi that yes, we can form a real image. But can we prove it that it can form a real image? In what cases does it form real image? In what cases does it not form a real image? 10th class cases ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి? Intermediate cases ఎప్పుడు వస్తాయి? అది నేను ప్రూవ్ చేయలేదు. Oh, oh, Akhilesh, my voice is breaking. Students, is my voice clear? Is it clear now? All right, Akhilesh, please check at your end because other students are saying it's fine. All right, all right. So students, we are going from specific to general. నేను స్పెసిఫిక్ సినారియో ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేసి పోస్ట్ చేసేసి మొత్తం పోస్ట్ మార్టం అంటే తెలుసా మీకు? పోస్ట్ మార్టం చేసేసి దెన్ విల్ గో ఫ్రమ్ స్పెసిఫిక్ టు జనరల్ కేస్. జనరల్ కేస్ ప్రూవ్ చేయడానికి ఐ నీడ్ బోత్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ అనాలిసిస్ అండ్ జియోమెట్రికల్ అనాలిసిస్, రే డయాగ్రామ్ అనాలిసిస్ అండ్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ అనాలిసిస్. All right, that if you insist, I will do it. If you insist, you want me to do it in the bridge course, I will do it. Provided you want me to do it. మీరు కావాలని చెప్తే నేను చేస్తాను. If you want it, you do it. You either నేను ఒక కాంట్రడిక్షన్ చూపించాను అంతే, నేను ప్రూవ్ చేయలేదు. ప్రూవ్ చేయాలంటే you need some patience and mathematical analysis as well. That's proof is very beautiful, students. Two statement proof hai, two statements proof hai, kani beautiful proof. All right. All right, Shashank, we'll do it. Good. If you want it, we'll do it. Okay, let's go for this one. You want to try this, students? Should I give you time for you to try this one next session? The problem on the screen. I'll describe the problem. I'll initiate the thought process. I suggest you try this once again and we'll discuss this in the next session. All right, I'll describe the problem. I'll initiate the thought process. Yeah, okay. Okay, Shashank, you weren't there for the last one. You can check it in the YouTube channel. Last class ke mundu last class. Right, there I've explained what kind of images are formed. So I'll describe the question once, initiate the thought process and leave it to you. Students, one is a denser medium, two is a rarer medium. Object is in the first, I'll consider the first case in the column 1, first case in the column 1. Object is normal. All right. These rays will bend away from the normal, and when you when you extend those rays backward, image is formed. Image is formed over here, which is closer to the. So for the first one, image distance is less than the plane surface. So B is correct for the first one. Now, because image is formed, rays of the image seem to emanate from a point, and rays meet when I extend them backwards. That's a virtual image. So B and D is correct for the first one. you will have to follow the same logic for the 2, 3, and 4. So think about it. So B is for B also, you think about it. Then you go for C, A, B, C. For every 1, 2, 3, 4, you think of A, B, or C, D. It should be A, B, or C, D. All right, students, is it okay? Will you try this again? Okay. Students, if you have missed this one, and visit the YouTube channel. You will have a concept over there. And because students are asking me to prove this, that real image is formed, I'll prove it in the next session. But you'll have to be very patient. The proof is rigorous, mentally rigorous, steps simple ఉంటాయి, but logical thinking ఎక్కువ కావాలి. We'll do it in the next session. We shall continue with more interesting concepts in the next session, students. You have got any questions? You can put the questions. Else, yes. So, students, I've got something very important and very interesting, very useful thing to announce. జాగ్రత్తగా వినండి. Launching a program called Super 20. Super 20 is we'll be selecting 20 toppers, top students from the ones who have ఒక ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుంది స్టూడెంట్స్, ఒక స్కాలర్షిప్ ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ స్కాలర్షిప్ ఎగ్జామ్ మీరు క్రాక్ చేస్తే you will be offered free coaching of worth 1,20,000 for 2 years. ఆ 1,20,000 కోర్స్ మీకు ఫ్రీ వస్తుంది for top 20 students. Top 20 students will be given utmost guidance, mentorship program, dedicated mentorship programs. మీకు dedicated guidance ఇచ్చేసి we will see to it that you go towards your target in IIT, JEE and NEET. Scholarship exam లో you will have 10 syllabus and general aptitude. ఆ స్కాలర్షిప్ ఎగ్జామ్ మీరు క్రాక్ చేస్తే టాప్ 20 స్టూడెంట్స్ ని వీఆర్ ఆఫరింగ్ కోచింగ్ ఫర్ 2 years. Free coaching of worth 1,20,000. Are you all getting it, students? It's free online coaching. You will have a dedicated support, exams, worksheets, classes, doubt sessions, personalized guidance, personalized mentoring, counseling, everything for rigorous 2 years, starting from day one till you write and clear the IIT mains and advanced and NEET. It's completely free online. Students, are you all getting it, what I'm trying to say? And that is for top 20 students. Please apply for the scholarship exam. Exam randomly. If you can crack it, you will be given, you will have an opportunity to learn for free from the top best faculty for IIT, JEE and NEET. We'll share the link in the WhatsApp groups. Students, is it clear what I'm talking? Is it clear? Are you listening? Is my voice breaking? Am I clear? Am I audible? Am I clear? All right. Shashank says yes. How about others? Vaishnavi says okay. So I suggest everyone to write this exam. No, Akhilesh, no maths class today. It's only bridge course. In bridge course, we have done physics. We'll do maths in the next session. And I suggest you go for this exam. Write this scholarship exam. If you are if you're worthy of it, you can crack it. Once you crack it, you will be given dedicated support for 2 years till you crack your JEE mains and advanced and NEET, whichever you are interested in. NEET అయినా IIT అయినా మీకు 2 years కోసం dedicated support వస్తుంది. Support, I guarantee, which you will not find in any other organization. That is what I can guarantee. because it is very less number of students. I was telling just a few minutes before, students are superintendent ni takko enduku batch form చేస్తున్నామంటే so that we will have one-to-one interaction on daily basis. మేము ఇక్కడ చెప్తున్నాము, మీరు వింటున్నారు, వెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు, అలా ఉండొద్దు, అలా ఉండొద్దు, అలా ఉండదు. I will get to know what you're doing. I'll get to know what you're thinking. మీ థాట్ నేను ట్రైన్ చేయడానికి నాకు అవకాశం ఉంటుంది. Thought process train చేయడమే is all about cracking competitive exam students. It is not about reading textbooks or solving numericals. It is all about thinking pattern ని change చేయాలి. All right. I suggest you write the exam. We'll share the link in the WhatsApp groups. Write the exam and wish you good luck for that. And share this with all your friends in other WhatsApp groups also, so that students will get a chance to win the scholarship worth 1,20,000 for 2 years. That is not a joke. Any queries, students? Any queries you have got regarding what I just said? Mhm. Okay, exam is on 2nd of June. Students, exam 2nd ki undi, 2nd of June, evening 5 p.m. All right, exam date kuda fix ayindi already. So I suggest you prepare well. You'll have 2 sections in it. It's completely online, students. It's completely online, Shashank. And for intermediate, మీరు ఏం చేయాలి, ఎక్కడ జాయిన్ కావాలి అవన్నీ మేము చూపిస్తాము. విల్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఆల్సో. మీరు ఏ గవర్నమెంట్ కాలేజ్లో అయినా జాయిన్ చేసి మొత్తం కోచింగ్ మా దగ్గర తీసుకొని విల్ ట్రైన్ యూ ఫర్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్ ఆల్సో. మీకు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ వదిలేసి ఐఐటి మెయిన్స్ నీట్ అని కాదు, విల్ టేక్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ ఇంటర్మీడియట్, ఐఐటి మెయిన్స్, అడ్వాన్స్, నీట్ ఆల్ టుగెదర్. And it's completely online. You can learn from the comfort of your home. You'll have for NEET you'll have BPC, biology, physics and chemistry. For IIT you have math, physics and chemistry. But for the entrance exam you'll have 2 sections. One is 10th class syllabus, maths and physical science, and of course bio also. For the ones who are wanting to go for NEET, you'll have bio, and you'll have a section on aptitude testing. All right, మీ IQ level, మీ aptitude, మీ thinking level అది మెజర్ చేయడానికి ఒక ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంటుంది, ఒక సెక్షన్ ఉంటుంది. And it's completely free. I repeat, it's completely free. Both IIT and intermediate is free. It will cost you, registration fee is ₹100 to write the exam. అది ఎందుకు పెట్టామంటే so that we get to know the seriousness of the students. ఏదో వచ్చి ఫ్రీ కదా మేము రాసి వెళ్ళిపోతాము అలా కాదు. You just pay 100 so as a token amount that you should to show your seriousness for the exam. And we want serious students only. We are trying to produce some targeted results. Maku, we don't want just random 20 students. We want dedicated 20 students to whom we will provide dedicated teaching. We want serious students only. Because we are serious with our training, we want seriousness in our students also. Maku serious, dedicated students kavali whom will be dedicated towards their result and career. We are dedicated. We also want our students to be dedicated. All right. Any query, students? And this is for serious students only. Students, top 20 students అంటే మీరు just ఏదో రాసేసి నేను top 20 లో వచ్చేసాను, నేను సీరియస్ లేను, then don't come for it. We want serious students who are dedicated towards their career. Only then you please approach us for this session, for this free coaching, 2 years long-term coaching. It is not a joke, students, to provide 2 years of coaching worth 1,20,000 free of provide chesi result produce joke. All right, we are very serious about it. You also be serious about it. Akhilesh, you can apply for the exam through a WhatsApp link. We'll send the link in the WhatsApp groups. Keep track of that. Link vastundi meeku. You apply for the exam. It will charge you 100 rupees as a token of seriousness. All right, Akhilesh. You'll get a link in the WhatsApp groups. Any other query, students? Please put now itself. Okay, if at all you have got queries, you can forward your query to 96422152226. All right, I presume you have got no queries, so we'll end the session. Yes, yes, Akhilesh, the exam is online, completely online. The whole session is online. And the number is given in the group 96422152226. For any queries you have got, any damn query you have got, please message. We'll respond to you, we'll get back to you. All right. All right, students, see you in the next session of the bridge course, Mastering Physics Essentials. Thank you.